I first talk about this stock on 13th of December 2020, so it is nearly here. And since then, this stock actually went up to 6,000%. And even after the correction, it is holding a staggering gain of a 3,300 or 3,500%. So I would definitely tell you to check out my previous videos on this along with this video where I have keep on getting one or two comments on daily basis about the trends. So I thought to revisit it and let's see what's going on in this particular stock. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of Ocugen Inc. Now, although I have made, couple of videos on this in the past 1 or 2 months or 2.5 months. So I started talking about this stock when it was trading at 27 or 29 cents. So from there, it went up to $18. And those who been watching my videos, I have talked about this resistance, and that was has actually happened. Now, what has happened has already happened. Now, let's see. So, for this one, I would like to uh, go to the daily chart. As you can see here, this level. So, it went up to $18 and it is holding at $9 here. So, just have a look at it. So, this is the support. Okay, this is the support where it is currently holding. And if you are looking into the daily chart, then you will see these gaps. Okay, so when the stock was moving up, so from $5, it actually made a gap up opening and opened at $8, and from there it went up to $18. So stock generally has tendencies to come back and fill up the gaps. So there are two things that you actually need to understand and remember in this particular chart. So let me show you. So here we have. So as you can see here, now you have two lines. Okay, so what are these? So because I am using monthly chart, you may not be able to see it here, but when I was using daily chart, you can see that the price is holding at or above 9.2. Okay, so if there is a possible turnaround which is about to happen, this is the probable area. Okay, and if it doesn't hold at or above $9, then it will definitely retest 6.27. Why? I've shown it to you that there is a gap and stock has a tendency to fill up the gaps. So mind these two support levels, and furthermore there is no need to carry any further position below these two levels. Otherwise it may go down to, nobody can say go back to $1 or below that. So that's why it is not wise to keep on holding position when the stock unable to hold it. Okay, so these are the two levels which you need to look at as your stop loss, and the stock must hold above 9.2, which it is right now, and that's why I've said that this is the probable area from where you can actually see some trading bounce back. Okay, so if there is anything about to happen, this is the zone. So let's see how it will move from this level, or it will go and retest $5 or $6. Now if it holds 9.2 at or above 9.2, in that case we are specifically looking at 2 or 3 levels for the time being, right? So what we have here will be these levels. So what we have, if the stock holds above 9.2, then you again have your uh, next target at 18. but this time it could extend up to 22 and $26 respectively. So these are the targets that we are looking at, but be mindful of what I have said in the first 2 minutes of the video, 3 minutes of the video. Okay, understand those things and then do whatever you want to. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.